Welcome back to Learn Chinese at Home. Get ready to dive into another exciting lesson. 你好. Hello. Welcome back to our channel Learn Chinese at Home, your friendly place to learn Mandarin from scratch. First of all, a big thank you to all of our wonderful viewers who have been watching and learning with us. Today, we're going to learn Chinese numbers from 0 to 10, with pronunciation, Pinyin, and even how to write each Chinese character step by step. Let's start by learning the numbers in Chinese with their Pinyin and pronunciation. 0 ling ling ling. 1 e high tone. 2 r falling tone. 3 sun sun sir. 5 wu rising tone. 6 leo falling tone. 7 chi chi chi. 8 ba high tone. 9 ju jo falling rising. 10 shi rising tone. Now let's draw each number character. Follow along on your screen with a pen or finger. Let's now use these numbers in real situations. 你几岁? How old are you? 我6岁. I am 6 years old. 你的电话号码是多少? 你的电话号码是多少? 426. 我的号码是08142336. 我要2苹果. 我要2个. 好, 2个. In Chinese, the number 2 is often lang when used before measure words like jie. Let's quickly go over the numbers again together. Ready? Repeat after me. Ling, she. Are you enjoying learning Chinese at home with us? Then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who also want to learn Chinese from scratch. Click the bell icon so you'll never miss our upcoming lessons. 谢谢大家收看我们的视频。谢谢大家收看我们的视频。再见，我们下一次见。Goodbye. Watch next, learn basic Chinese greetings, subscribe for more fun Chinese lessons.